In front of me is Google Pixel 4a, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So once you want to change the system language, you need to reach the settings at first, then find and select system and click on languages and input. And here smoothly pick the first option, which is languages. And here by tapping on add a language, you can select any language that you want to apply. So here we've got the whole list, and let me pick, for example, French. Now pick the region, slide it up to the first place to make it the default language of yours. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, your device is in French, so you can smoothly use it in this new picked language. And this is it. That would be all. Then if you would like to go back to previous language, just go to the languages, tap on more, remove all unnecessary languages. So let me pick French, Russian and Spanish, tap on bin icon, confirm, and now we've got English only. And this is it. This is how you can super quickly and easily change keyboard language in your device, not keyboard, sorry, system language in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.